All right, traders, how you guys doing? Welcome to another wonderful video episode. Right now, this video I'm going to be walking you through the perfect way you can get entry on any pair that you are trading. I'm very much aware that most of you traders sometimes you are very sure about the market trend, but your entry is just the problem. You don't know how to get in on the market. Let's say you're having an uptrend, let's say higher high, higher lows, right? Now you don't know how to enter for this type of market conditions, right? Even if you are looking at a downward market, the problem is still the entry. Sometimes you enter for a buy and the market will still stop you out before actually moving into your what direction. Market can just come back, do something like this, and hit your stop loss and take you out. Or you are actually in the sell, right? And you still hit Excel before the market even move into your direction. What are the reasons? This particular video will help you open that thing that you've been doing wrongly so that you can understand how you can enter perfectly on any market pair. Even if you are trading currency pair, you're trading indices, you're trading gold or US oil or silver, this type of strategy will work. Now, I'll be combining two things to explain to you. Number one is what? Moving average, which is MA, all right? Then number two is your what? Structure, which is normal support and resistance, all right? Support and what? Resistance. All right, now on your moving average, if you look at my chart, I have a moving average on my chart. I'll be showing you the chart right now. You may not be seeing it now. On the moving average, you'll be using moving average 50 exponential moving average, right? 50 exponential moving average. That's what we'll be using for the strategy, and I'll be showing you how you can use moving average in conjunction with the support or resistance to take a trade. So now if you're looking for a buy and you want price to come onto your the support level before you go in for a buy. Let's say the market has been falling, selling, right? And I'm looking for a buy. How do you actually go in for this type of setup? Is the moving average. Number one, once you see that the moving average is rightly under the candle, right? And you found that the moving average is also resting under the support line, right? You can see this horizontal support, right? And you see the moving average rightly just below it. This particular setup is a very high probability setup, right? There is every possibility 7 out of 10 times that once you enter for a trade like this, the market will move in your direction, right? And this is how you can enter on any pair. I'll be showing it to you how this market works, right? Without wasting much of your time, let me quickly show you this particular trade I use in entering this particular market, this particular strategy, right? Now, this work in all time frame, whether on M15 or H1, right? H1, right? But I would recommend you stay on H1 for clear direction. Then you can come to M15 to look for entry. But if you find this type of setup on M1, you can go in. If you find it on M15, you can go in. Now, this particular trade I am on gold, right? You can see this is M15, 15-minute time frame. What happened? Gold has been all-time high, but the current trend was a sell. You can see gold sold from here to here. This is just like a correction, right? And we're on this impulse phase, all right? But how do you get in since you've seen that gold is in an all-time high? If you look at it properly, you can see the market have been moving upward from left to right, which is higher high, higher lows, high, lows, high. So how do you actually go in for this type of trade for a buy? All right, now this is the strategy. If you can't see it on the 1 hour time frame, you can see, then come down to 15-minute time frame. Now on the 15-minute time frame, I was able to spot this thing I showed you here. You can see this thing I showed you here. I was able to spot it here. Now what happened on the 15-minute time frame? I saw that the moving average is moving average, right? All right, price broke immediately above the moving average and retested it, right? And on it, I could see a bullish green candle, right? That was my confirmation, right? And for the fact that the moving average is also supporting this horizontal support, you can see that was a clear 2 confluences for me to go in for a buy, right? Before you go in on the trade, you need at least 2 confluences or 3 before you can actually go on a trade, right? And I didn't just use this particular strategy on gold. We just smashed TP on Euro USD. Let me quickly show you the signal this morning. You can see my people are happy. They made money. This is Euro USD trade today being 27 as I'm recording this video, which is on Monday of January. You can see this is the before. I told them to, right? This is gold, right? This is the gold trade I just showed you. But this is the Euro USD. I told them to buy Euro USD. You can see. I told them to buy Euro USD. This is the trade, right? This is the before, right? And now this is the after. We just match TP on Euro USD. You can see. Very smooth. And how was I able to get this trade signal? You can see what happened here. On Euro USD, on the 15-minute time frame, I was able to spot, you can see the same strategy. You can see the price and the moving average in conjunction with the horizontal support. You can see that was what made me buy. Right, we bought here, number one, and price also moved here. This is a Fibonacci retracement strategy right now, but this is what we got in. Right, I saw that price was giving. You can see this is structure: higher high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. But when price got here, there was no more lower low. Right, price created double bottom. Right, yeah, and this is what we were able to get in. But this particular strategy, the moving average was still under this particular candle when we got in. Right, but as price move on, moving average move alongside with the price, right? And that was the strategy that we use in capturing this particular movement. And as I speak to you, we've done over 1:2, and right now price is heading towards this direction. Right, this is 1:2.5, and price is coming over here, which is 1:3.4. Right, so this is a very simple way you can enter on any trade, be it gold, be it currency pair, be it Bitcoin, whatever it is that you are trading. The moment you find the moving average, right, rightfully under the candle, right, and you find that you have it in conjunction with the support and resistance, right, this is a very strong way of enter. It's a high probability setup. 7 out of 10 times the market will go in your favor, right? So as you can see, we've already made 1:1 on gold. You can see 1:1.23, right? And price is still heading towards here. And this is a very good strategy because normally gold is on all-time buy. And what you should be looking out for on a trending market like this is buy entry, not sell entry. And we are not trading against the trend. So looking at this trade is going to play in our direction. But right now, we're still currently holding. You can see the signal here sent on the Telegram channel, right? If you are not here in this particular Telegram channel, you want to make sure you get on board so that you can be part of those who are making money with us here every week. All right, so thank you. If you find value in this video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so that by the time you have good video like this, you'll be the first person to be notified. So I'll see you in my next video. Stay tuned.